Article 248 of the Indian Constitution deals with the residuary powers of legislation, specifying that the Parliament has exclusive authority over matters not covered in the state list or the concurrent list. Here's a breakdown. 1. Clause 1. Exclusive power of Parliament. Parliament has the authority to legislate on matters that are not mentioned in either the concurrent list or the state list. Residuary matters. These are subjects that do not fall under any of the predefined lists, Union List, State List, and Concurrent List, in the 7th Schedule of the Constitution. If any new or unforeseen subjects arise, Parliament has the sole power to legislate on these matters. Subject to Article 246A, this clause is now subject to Article 246A, which gives both Parliament and the state legislatures power to legislate on goods and services tax, GST. Article 246A, introduced by the 101st Constitutional Amendment, carves out an exception specifically for GST matters, which allows states to legislate on GST despite the general residuary power of Parliament. 2. Clause 2. Taxation. Parliament's power under Article 248 also extends to imposing taxes on subjects that are not specifically mentioned in the Union, State, or concurrent lists. This ensures that if a new kind of tax is needed, and it's not covered in any of the existing lists, Parliament can still enact legislation to impose such a tax. Summary. Article 248 grants Parliament exclusive power to legislate on matters not covered in the existing constitutional lists, Union, State, or concurrent. This includes any new areas that may arise in the future, ensuring that the Parliament can address unforeseen legislative needs. Additionally, it allows Parliament to impose taxes on subjects not mentioned in the existing lists. However, GST legislation, which is governed by Article 246A, is an exception to this rule. The Constitution of India. Part 11. Relations between the Union and the States. Chapter 1. Legislative Relations. Distribution of legislative powers. Article 248. Residuary powers of legislation. 1. Subject to Article 246, a Parliament has exclusive power to make any law with respect to any matter not enumerated in the concurrent list or state list. 2. Such power shall include the power of making any law imposing a tax not mentioned in either of those lists.